everyone, I am Adrian. Today I am going to share my speech which is about what is my best scar story. Let's begin. So, love. It's a powerful force that can make us very happy or very sad. It leaves us a mark on our hearts and souls. Sometimes, these marks become scars. Beautiful reminder of a love that once was. These are not scars from physical wounds, but emotional ones. They are silent witnesses to battle fought, tears shed and lesson learned. We may not see them, but they are deep inside us, shaping who we are, how we love, and our choices. Each scar has a story. It could be the story of love that faded, leaving behind memories and pain. It could be the story of a relationship that ended suddenly, leaving a big hole in our lives. Or maybe it's a story of a love that changed, leaving us with bittersweet feelings and a deep understanding of loss. These scars, though painful, should not be feared or hidden. They are not flaws, they are signs of courage, proof that we can connect deeply, be vulnerable, and risk our hearts for love. They show that we dared to love with all our hearts, even if things didn't turn out the way we hoped. So, these scars shape us. They teach us to be strong, kind, and aware of ourselves. They help us understand relationships, or how fragile love is, and how important it is to care for ourselves. They remind us that even after heartbreak, we can heal, grow, and love again. And maybe even better. So, let's embrace these beautiful scars of love. Let us not see them as failures, but as part of our journey. Proof that we can love deeply, and reminders that beauty can be found even in pain. Because inside of every scar is a story of strength, resilience, and the power of the human heart. So once again, thank you for listening and have a blessed day everyone.